Cytoswap mainnet is now live. Let's show you how fast and simple it is to swap tokens. Step 1. Connect your wallet. Click Connect, then Approve in MetaMask. Step 2. Choose your token pair. For example, HeLa to USDT. You can also click Gasless to skip fees on supported swaps. Step 3. Enter your amount. Hit Swap, confirm in MetaMask done. Your swap is complete. Balances auto-update. Swap history already saved. Now, let's check out Liquidity, explore pools, charts, and analytics screen all in one dashboard. Want out? Click Remove Liquidity and approve it in MetaMask. Simple as that. Everything you need, nothing you don't. Fast, clean, on-chain. Ready to try it? Head over to Cytoswap.io and start now. Your tokens, your control. This is DeFi done right.